Hello, 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 everybody. This is Gaia Blair Pendleton here, luminance.empowernetwork.com, now transformed through an action that I'm going to share with you tonight to www.howtobuildsuccess.com. Still illuminating love and light, just transforming the .empowernetwork.com side of my domain to www.howtobuildsuccess.com, and I'm going to teach you how to do this. So follow me here, all right? And this basically will give you an ability to get onto social media and share your blog, whether it be Twitter or Facebook, and do so freely and openly. Really also to brand yourself, to put yourself out there and put your www. Whatever it is that inspires you.com, whatever it is that inspires you and is available as a domain name, right? So I'm going to teach you how to go over and you're going to purchase that domain name from a company, and then you're going to come over and you're going to transfer that over to your blog, your Empower Network blog beast, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you can come over, click on that plus sign, and you just want to make sure that you already have that blog name. So mine is luminance.empowernetwork.com, but maybe you want to be transferring over something else, another blog that you had add new blog before. So you have all that information ready to go. You know what you want to transfer from the .empowernetwork.com to your personalized web domain. So you're going to go over, and what I chose was GoDaddy. Now, I have a little bit of a issue with GoDaddy because they come over here and say, find your perfect domain name. So you type in something that's your perfect domain name. So then basically you hit go, and then they say, oh, it's available, right? So then you step back and you say, oh, okay, well, I'm just going to wait a minute, go and do some things, and then come back and I'll purchase that later. Now, what I hear that GoDaddy does is they might think that your name that you typed in there is perfect as well. And they might swoop right in and pick that domain name up, and then auction it later for a higher price. So if you type something in there that you love, you want to make sure to have your credit card ready to purchase. Just a little tip and tool there for you, because I don't want that to happen to you, okay? So then you want to come in, you want to go ahead and pick that out. It's available, you purchase it right then and there. And then you can come back in and view your account later. You're going to pick up your domain, launch that, right? And you're going to come over to, for me, it was howtobuildsuccess.com. Now, I already transferred that one over to the luminance.empowernetwork.com site, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do is transfer the Have a Happy Belly over to my Happy Belly blog, which I discussed yesterday, how to put the header up on that blog. So now we're going to come over to haveahappybelly.com. You're going to go ahead and just click on that, right? You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you over here. Now, you want to go ahead next, you can see my cursor in the middle of the page, DNS zone file over here, DNS zone file. You want to go ahead and click on that. And that's going to take you over here to zone file, right? And right underneath the word zone file is the word edit. You want to go ahead and click on that too. And that will take you into the editable portion here. And you're going to come over to CNAME alias, right? Come on down, scroll down to the www portion. Click on that where the @ sign is. You can go ahead and just erase that @ sign. You're going to want to type in the whatever it is that you were using, your .empowernetwork.com. And for my belly blog, it's cleanse.empowernetwork.com, right? So you have that, whatever your name is, .empowernetwork.com. And then you're going to basically press save. You want to make sure to save this, save zone file, confirm. You're about to modify your existing zone file. You sure you want to do this? Yep, I do. So zone file saved. You're good to go. It's going to refresh. All right, so now you're here. All right, then you're going to go back over and you want to basically refresh your domains here. So you can refresh that, and then you'll bop on over and you want to click the box over here next to your new domain name. Mine's the Have a Happy Belly. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to click on the box there. Now you're going to forward domains. You're going to scroll over forward and then come down to forward domains and click on that. Now once you're there, you're going to add forwarding. Click that button, add forwarding, right? And then you're going to come over here, HTTP, and then you're going to write in cleanse.empowernetwork.com. Actually, here it's www, right? Because before we didn't type the www, it was already in there. Somebody else could just type that in without having to type the www. Now we're going to come in with a www. HTTP :// which is already over here for you. You're going to type in www.yourempowernetworkname.empowernetwork.com. So you have that in there. You want to go ahead and click add, right? And then you want to go ahead and click, we have cleanse.empowernetwork.com. Now go ahead and click save, correct. Domain forwarding, your request has been submitted, right? So we're good to go. Now you want to make sure to go over to your Empower Network blog. And mine's the Happy Belly blog. So let's make sure that I'm in the Happy Belly area. So I'm going to click this little plus sign right here. Click on that. And you come over, my blog name through here is Clarity Through Cleansing. So I'm just going to click on that. And I can edit that as well over to Happy Belly if I like to. And from here, you want to go right back up into here and click on custom domain. So go ahead and click on that. That'll take you in here. And you're just going to go ahead and type in what that custom domain is that you just bought and format it over for this exact thing right here. http://haveahappybelly.com. Awesome, available, cool. We're going to go next. Click on the next. Click on the verify custom domain. And domain verified, 2 thumbs up. We're good to go. So now from here, you just want to make sure that you're sweet. You're good to go. Now, so in order to do that, let's just type it on up in here and see if it already made that transition. Haveahappybelly.com. Okay, so it hadn't transferred over yet. It will though. It will. Sometimes it takes some time. So just give it a little bit of time and then it'll transfer over for you. And it shouldn't be a problem. So there you have it. Now you have a branded website blog that you can send people to, and you can go ahead and tell people about that on Twitter and Facebook, and you can go ahead and blog to your heart's consent. Join me here, blog with me this 90-day journey. It'll transform your life, bring great success, help you to step up more into your full authentic potential and power. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right, lots of love. It's Luminance here. www.howtobuildsuccess.com